So I finished my makeup. As you can see, the face is beat. So now it's just the hair left to do. And all it really needs is like a straighten and a curl. I'm using this Mark Hill Pick and Mix Barrel, which is the sponsor of today's video. Thank you so much to Mark Hill for sponsoring this video. I love their barrels. What's amazing about them is that you can switch out the barrel with this pick and mix contraption. So you press this button and you can literally remove the barrels. So they have different barrels. They have curlers, they have mermaid wavers. So it's pretty perfect for any hairstyle you want to do, and it saves a lot of space. You can kind of store it really well. You don't have to have loads of different hair tools. You can just have this one and then just interchange the barrels. So what I'm using today is their straighten and curl barrel. You just clip it in, super easy. You can also twist this barrel, which is pretty sick for like straightening or curling if you want to like do it this way. It heats up really quickly, so I'm going to heat it up, and I'm going to flatten the top of my hair first because it's like a 360 heat, so you can definitely use the barrel to flatten your hair at the top as well. So while we let that heat up, I'm just gonna do my lip. Okay, so while we let that heat up, I'm gonna quickly show you guys my new lip combo that I'm absolutely obsessed with. It is the Doll Beauty Sponsored Lip Gloss and the Killing It Liner. These two, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I'll link it below. It's not sponsored, I just absolutely love it. And then whatever gloss you, clear gloss you like to line the outline. Do you see that? I know you see that. I know you see that. So cute. Okay, so at this point, this is definitely heated up. So I'm just going to go here and twist it towards the end, and it makes it bump. See that? Perfect. So this is the old bit, and this is the new bit. And it's so nice and hot that I haven't even added hairspray or anything. Look at that curl, how it's sitting. She is sitting, honey. And the curl lasts so long.
Mark Hill also provide an array of amazing hair products, including hairspray, heat protection, hairbrushes, clips, all of that. So I'm going to leave everything below if you're interested. They're all amazing.
So you can totally leave it like this, but what I like to do is kind of ruffle it up with my fingers a little bit, just so it's not so neat. Make sure you do this after you hairspray your hair. But yeah, so this is the finished look, all achieved with this Mark Hill Pick and Mix Straighten and Curl Barrel.